I can make $1,000 turn into $10,000 guaranteed within 1 year. I'm just kidding. I can't quite do that, but I can help you understand different ways to help your money grow. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you are in. I am Janessa Siegel, your Wealthy Wellness Warrior, here with your weekly Money Smarts activity. While I am not a financial advisor and I cannot tell you where to put your money or invest your money, I am a financial educator and I can help you understand the intricacies of investing. So this week, we are going to focus on understanding investing, getting comfortable with investing, and learning ways that you can start investing your money and building your growth today. Throughout this week, you will be able to utilize our investing module. We're also going to have a workshop on Wednesday, which is free, by the way, and you will have activities that you can complete throughout the week. We are so excited about our Money Smarts activity this week, and we hope you will join us. Be sure to click the button below to register for the workshop and to get the materials. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or on our website. Again, join us, learn, enjoy, and understand investing. Remember, consistency is key and change takes time. Stay smart, stay healthy, and stay financially well.